Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type TH in world very easily and TH in date in world. So how to type this TH in world very easy and quick way. So firstly you need to type your number like 6 or like 7 and any number. So type it and now type here TH and select this TH and click on this super slip just click on it and you see this is in 7th. You will see this TH will be very easily type. You can very easily type this TH and second way is need to click on insert and here you see this explanation. So just click on it. This just click on it and you see this split and super slip and just click on it and now here you need to enter your number and second one you can type this th and click on any empty area. So you see this, you can very easily type this th. So very simple. Click on equation. This equation, no, this is equation sign. So just click on it and then split this and super split and type here number and here th. So you can very easily type this th in word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.